Question number 36. Pure sample of radon-222 decays into a polonium after half-life of 4 days. Okay. So half-life is given to you. So P half is equal to 4 days. Right. The measurement is made of its radioactivity. The initial count rate is 420 counts per second. Initial count rate is 420 counts per second. Note that it is 420 counts per second, which means what? You are now writing n divided by t. What is n by t? N by t is nothing but your dn divided by dt, which is nothing but your activity. Okay, which should be 420 counts per second. Okay, the measured background count is 20 counts per second. See, any experiment that you do in radioactivity will definitely have a background count because everything in nature will emit radiation. Okay, so therefore, here also it is seen to be giving out something like 20 counts per second. So when you keep your GM counter to measure the radioactivity, you are not getting the exact value. You are getting the value of the source plus the background count also. Okay, so as a result of it, what you need to do? If you want to get the accurate value, first determine what is the background count, then subtract it from the actual one. So which should now be 420 minus 20, which should be 400. This is your initial activity. Now what is he asking? What is the measured count rate after 8 days? After 8 days means what? 4 into 2. It means after 2 half lives. Okay, now let us write something like this. If the initial activity was 400, okay, after removing the background, after one half life, this becomes how much? A naught by 2. Why A naught by 2? Because it also behaves similarly to that of your number of atoms. So therefore this becomes 200. 200. And after one half life, one more half life. After first half life, after 4 days, this is 200. After second half life, it becomes A naught by 4, which should be equal to 100. Which should be equal to 100 over here. Okay, now we have got 100. What does your GM counter measure? It does not measure 100, but instead it adds the background count to it, and finally it gives you 120. So your answer should be 120.